when I try to move against something like a wall, this problem happens. See, the character jitters. So I want to see how to solve that problem now. Okay, so basically the character's animation is determined by the velocity, right? Yeah, let's open the scripts. I need to script the character animation controller script. Okay, here and I set the velocity like this, but let's see what happens at this point. What is this I'm printing? Okay, I don't need IK weight at the moment. Right, now let's see how the values changes with time. Okay, wait, I think I'm printing something else also. Yeah, what's this? 9 something value. How come I receive something like 10? Okay, it's 0 now. And at some point I got 9. Why is that? Yeah. Why did that happen? No, I think that didn't happen. I mistake it for 0.9. Alright, anyway, so now here we have this problem. See, I'm getting 4 and 0 and 4 and 0, so that's the issue. That's why this character jitters. So how to solve this problem? So does that mean I can't rely on the velocity I get from the character? Let's go to character movement, and the velocity I return here where is the, yeah, this one, rigid body velocity. That's what I am returning here. So maybe I think I should return something else. Oh yeah, well, I'm actually changing the velocity value directly, so maybe I should not do that. Yeah, I think I should do some kind of a lerp in here, right? Let's see, I'll cut this part, vector 3 lerp, and the original value is rigid body dot velocity, and the target value is this one. And then I'll add time dot delta time. I guess we need to use this smooth speed. I guess we need some multiplier here, but wait a minute. Well, let's just check what happens without having adding a multiplier. Well, looks like nothing is happening. Yeah, I definitely need a multiplier here. For now, I'll add 100. Maybe it's too much, but let's see. No, that's not going to solve the issue. Okay then, what am I gonna do? Yeah, I'll revert this change because that didn't work as expected. Maybe, yeah. Alright, let's create another variable, private vector 3. I'll call it actual velocity. Right, and also I'm gonna need another variable, private vector 3 character position. No, previous character position, the character position in the previous frame actually. So yeah, I'll just use it like JavaPos, even though it doesn't make any sense. Equals transform dot position, and in the update I'll set actual velocity equals transform dot position minus JavaPos divided by time dot delta time. And let's return that here. Instead of rigid body velocity, I'll return actual velocity. Right? Now let's see if we see any changes. Oh, sorry. After this step, I should set JavaPos as transform dot position. Otherwise, it will remain as 0 always. Okay, we see some jerk in here, but this problem is solved. Now we need to smooth it out. Yeah, so to make it smooth, let's use lerp, good old-fashioned lerping. Vector 3 dot lerp actual velocity, and this is the target velocity, and here time what else is missing, float t. Time dot delta time into 100, let's say. Okay, maybe 10. Right, now it is not jerking anymore, even though I am trying to walk against a wall. Yeah, it's good now. Okay, and I'll stop this episode at this point. So if you like to support my work, you can get the membership of my Patreon club. Link would be in the description below, and also I'll release the project files for this project through the Patreon page. So if you are a patron, you can freely access them. And this episode is sponsored by these generous patrons. Thank you very much for the support you are giving me.